Yo, yo, yo. Ali, Aila. Afternoon. How are you guys? Cool, I'm getting myself together. Oh my god. What's up, peoples? Quick ban there. Goodbye. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing today? Let's see what these markets are looking like, huh? Hold on, let me move the chat. I need to send Ash an invite as well. Let me do that. We got Miss Gold Pippin joining us today. Miss Gold Pippin coming. How's everyone's morning been? Morning. I do not hear the music. Where's the music? There we go. Quiet. Hope everyone's good today. Hope everyone's good. Let's see what the market's doing. So gold back above 4,200. Let's do some analysis. And then we'll get Miss Gold Pippin in here. Let's do some analysis first. Okay, let's get rid of this. All right, so gold has broken Friday's high. Respected the low 4 hour. We've got this minor bullish structure where we're pushing up. Now we haven't retouched today's highs yet, but if we do continue up, I think, you know, we just keep heading back up. Now at any time below this recent 4 hour resistance, gold could create a lower high to come back down. Like if we're going to be bearish for the week, this is just a pullback, and then we get a resistance, lower high, and then we drop. But for right now, daily time frame, 4 hour is quite bullish. So until we get a rejection on the lower time frames or some type of reversal signal, gold is heading up. Now, one of those signals could be respecting Asian highs. You know, if we respect the Asian highs, I would anticipate that we could come back down. It's not off the table. It's not off the table. Let's get rid of that on hours. Don't want to see it on minutes. So yeah, I want to see how gold reacts to Asian highs and plays this range. This is quite a big Asian range again. Massive Asian range. 840 pips, 850 pips. Big move. All right, so let me... Big range. Ali, what's up? What you got going on today, my guy? What you got going on today? What's the move? What's the plays today? Also, there's so much war news still going on, man. This was supposed to be done. Now they're talking about us, you know, they've breached the agreement already. Like, obligations. Wow, Keir Starmer resigned. He announced his resignation, official confirmation. Wow. Okay, cool. Yesterday was a good day for talks. Hormuz is open. Wow. Look at Israel. We will respect the ceasefire in Lebanon as long as Hezbollah doesn't violate it. Shipping stalls in the Strait after Iran declares key waterway closed again. But Trump said, nah, they're not doing that. Yeah, so this war is still, we still have to keep an eye on what's going on out here. Unfortunately. So gold, looks like gold was coming back for this top wick right here at 4217. So it's made the top wick, lovely, right here, and dropped. It's come back for this top wick here. So now we can get some good direction, I guess. Buy or sell today? Me, Mondays, unless the market takes off, Mondays is the day where I'm just looking for the markets to set up. And we don't have much news this week as well, which is good. Only core PCE price index and GDP on Thursday. So I don't know what's going to happen with gold. It kind of depends on what's going to happen with the war news and how the markets react to that. But it's a bit up and down. It's a bit up and down at the moment. All right, let me get Ash in here. New meeting, instant meeting. Oh wait, let me invite this way. Ash. Cool. Tie my hair up as well. But yeah, what's everyone's plans today? What are we looking at? We're looking at gold buys or sells? What do we think? What do we think? What we got going on? Should be expecting sells if possible to 4139. Oh, lovely, lovely. Okay, that's one plan. Some sells. If gold does stay bearish, then yeah, I think we do drop. Let's make that bigger. Wait for Ash to come in. You're in sales already? Oh, perfect. Well, where did you get in? And where are you selling to? Where are you selling to? Hopefully you got in quite recently because gold's been pushing up all morning. You know? So hopefully you're not in no drawdown, or you got in maybe last week. Got a nice early entry. That would be good. Or I could hear Ash when she comes in. Oh, that's loud. You good? Alright, what's the plan for today, Rosie? Girl, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Nas looks nice and bullish. GJ's looking nice and bullish. Did GJ push because Keir Starmer said he's resigning? Is that why we're getting these nice, strong pound yen buys? I know GBP USD started pushing. Close that, tab that. Okay, yeah, that's cool. We'll wait for Ash to come in. Just looking through these pairs. DXY. DXY is looking kind of bearish. DXY. So DXY is approaching this daily resistance area up here, which has been holding. So look, we've tapped into it twice, but haven't closed above. So, you know, if we sell down from here, we could see gold continue to push. Really need to just break this, break above Asian highs. Benny, what's good, Benny? Gold buys today? Okay, you're on the bullish wave. You're on a bullish wave. I'm not mad at it. I can see it. I see it. Structure on gold looks nice and bullish. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. No breaking 4-hour highs. We just haven't refilled the daily wick. But yeah, gold is definitely looking good for buyers. Yes, gold is buy. Yeah, I think so, Ali. I think so. I think so. Gold is a buy. All is well. To give us a push. Give us a good push. There we go. Alright, it's nearly 1:30. Ali's got a chart for us. Let's see what you got going on.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Oh. Hold on. I hear you. Do you hear me?
I can hear you.
What up, girl? Hold on.
What up?
There we go. Hold on. I'm gonna have to turn some of these volumes down. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, what's up? What's up?
What's up?
Any trades today? No trades yet this morning?
No trade today, no action for me yet this week. Just kind of easing into it because I'm still like a little bit on weekend since it's an extended weekend for me.
Cool.
Yeah. And then I saw the action that Asian session had. They already had a lot of movement. Yeah, they already had a lot of movement, right?
Yes. Just 3 candles. 3 candles did all of that.
Yeah, I'm actually like still putting together my worksheet, but just some things that I was noting was that yesterday we came down, our Asian session went to like the 30s and it popped back up. We didn't break that weekly low. So that's no good for like some sales.
Yes.
Because we were so low, and it's like, if you're right there and you can't do it.
Very close. We came very close and then just started pushing back up. And then we broke Friday's high as well.
Yeah, popped it quick. The H1 time frame also with that move that pushed up, that hourly candle that wicked up like that, it barely has a bottom or a top wick. It's very strong. It's very strong coming from down there.
I did notice that there was no top wick on this 30-minute candle from Thursday, which price came up to, created this top wick and then dropped.
Hold on. What was that Thursday candle again? Point to it.
Right here. So right towards, it's like the last candle of the session on Thursday.
Oh.
And we seem to have come right back to that area, wicked up, and then dropped from there.
Oh yeah, it didn't really have a top wick on it. Oh, actually it did not. It was this. See, you see how like this is a clean, like no top wick. 42, 18, 90, 98.
Yep.
It's clean. Like the opening, when you look at the coordinates on it, the opening and the high are the same.
Yep.
That's really the wick theory. I know sometimes like even I'll see a candle that maybe the opening or the high are like maybe 0.02 or 0.5. Like it's a difference.
Yeah.
The theory still works there, but something like this where it's flat,
perfect.
That's it. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yes, sir.
He's approaching the goal, but can he deliver the goods?
Yeah. So what are you thinking? What are you thinking about gold today?
Honestly, I think I just need more information. I don't like gold is quite bearish, but then at the same time, it's currently bullish. This war news is all over the place. I just need gold to be settled. So it's either going to be a very not slow week, but we're just going to be reacting to war headlines, because there's hardly any news, or we're just going to go sideways. But we're going to go sideways in a big range. So I think today I'm just going to be waiting for gold to make, its low and high, its lows and its highs, and then see what it does from there. Is it going to make a low point for the week, or is it going to make a high point for the week? And then, yeah.
Okay.
Kind of just waiting to see how today plays out, at least today's price action, because it's not the best. I think we come back and feel this wick on the 4 hour. I think we come back up. It's like a daily high. So I think, if we continue up, yes, but then at any point we could create a lower high on the 4 hour and then come back down. So I'm just cautious. I'm just watching. That's all I can do right now, is just watch and see what the market wants to do.
Yeah, I've been watching it too. That 4 hour. I put a little fib on it because you're right. At any point, it can push down and be our new lower high.
4 hour.
Yeah, I put a fib on the 4 hour. Right from your H4 resistance all the way down to that low. No, that line that you have as H4 resistance.
Yeah, just dropped it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's between that area that I was telling Will about before. So we'll see. But I'm also with you. Because we already had so much movement in Asian session, like I'm really big into playing into the daily ranges, whether that be the high or the low.
Yeah. Because
we already kind of had that play, and now it's moving back up and it's giving us a little bit of range action. Yeah. I'm okay with like I was just saying that I don't even know if I'm probably going to catch a trade today, because I don't want to do anything just to do something.
Yeah.
And I want to be really strategic this week. So, yeah.
Same. Hey, Karen, you good? Overall structure, price has had a strong bearish move from the top, creating lower highs and lower lows. Now price is making a recovery from the 4125 area. Your idea buy, you're looking for a move back. It's not that I'm looking for a move back. I'm letting the market tell me what it's going to do. Do you know what I mean? So it could do anything. And I think it's going to be very reactive to any news that does come out. When we have these quiet news weeks, it feels like everything else moves gold. Do you know what I mean? We start getting all these bloody war headlines and stuff. So I just wait and see. I like to see what the 4 hour candles start doing. I like to see what the daily candle starts doing. I just play like what's happening on the day. If the fundamentals line up with that, then so be it. But sometimes the fundamentals change the direction, so it's literally just a waiting game. Has to be. I mean, look, right now we haven't retested these Asian highs yet. If we don't, look, if we start making lower highs here or bearish structure, then maybe we continue down for the sells. It's just got to wait it out. That's all I'm doing, is just waiting and seeing. It's plugged in. That's it. Also moving near the moving average. This is the decision zone. Oh, your 89 moving average. But this moving average that you have on here, this is not bullish. This is not bullish because its price has just come above. So it needs to be pointing up at least for it to be a bullish moving average. Could be a fake out as well. So we push above and it could come below and then that's it.
I think if we wouldn't have had that holiday last week, but still shout out to Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth, everyone. We could have had better direction because we had that low momentum. We never pushed down to the prior week's low. So that already kind of added some confusion there about whether sales could go lower. And then you could see it try to do it Thursday into Friday. Oh, what's up, Benny? You could see that gold tried to push down Thursday into Friday, but the momentum was low. I know for myself, I wasn't going to trade it. And I was surprised that it even went as low as it went with that low momentum. So if we didn't have a holiday Friday, we would have sold. We would have went down crazy. Yeah.
That's what gold wanted to do until it stopped, until it was stopped.
Yeah, until it was stopped. Because like I'm looking here on the H4 time frame, we've definitely been trending down. So, and we're so close to like that daily. And if you want, I can share my screen. There's a lot of stuff on my screen. I can share my screen. All right, let me share. All right. Could you see it?
Give me a sec. Switch it over. There you go.
All right. Now look, I got a lot of notes on my screen so I can keep up.
As you make sense of it.
Yeah. Really, as long as I understand it. But look at these red rectangles though. You see, this was the last H4 lower high. We came back to this area after the gap from last week. We struggled here, right? And we were able to push down. Now I'm really targeting this last H4 lower low point. If we can get down there, if we get past this green area right here, that's a transition on the daily time frame.
We are bearish.
Yep, because when you come here on the daily time frame, let me just make some things smaller. When we had this big push up here, from here, going up, where's my favorites at? Give me a second. Okay. When we had this push going up here, that was our last higher low, and that was our higher high. Now we done trickle down back to this area, because remember, between these 2 points up here and up here, anything can happen and we can still be bullish. But once we start to break through, we got to break right here, right? We broke through, came down, then price came back up, which we came back up, we tested the area. So this is a break, retest, and if we pass this area down here, passing our last break area, that will be considered a follow through, and that's what you need to transition and structure. You need a break, a retrace, and a follow through, because now you would have 2 lows. So if we were to break below here, it's going down. Unless something crazy is tweeted and all that other type of stuff. But yeah, it could be going down.
It really could.
It could. And that fib that I threw on the H4, now it starts from right here, because if you were to start it from up here, then it would have already touched so many levels. So you started from right here. Started from right here. I came all the way down here. Look how it lines up. Now I know it's a lot of, let me actually take off certain things so you could see it well. I do not want to delete anything. Let me save. Take these things off. And right here, right here, this area, the 27, first structure, first TP, it brings us to that lower low. Second one brings us, this black area right here is a weekly level. Let me see what What does that mean on the weekly? Oh, that kind of brings us near that weekly gap area.
Yeah.
And this area right here. So I'm waiting to see if I see any more confusion around this 422. This four that actually that 42.21. It came right to that 50 area last night. It came right to that 50 area last night.
Good.
Yeah, that's looking pretty good.
For the cells.
Looking pretty good for the sales. I would stop looking at it if it was to close above like if it would start to close above like 61. Because 50, I've seen it close at 50 and still gave us a good retracement.
Okay.
But if it closed like 61, no, I wouldn't look at this. I wouldn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gold is just hovering now. It's just ranging right now.
Just ranging. Let me get all my old stuff back.
Just ranging.
Yeah, and that's another reason like we got so much range right now that I also want to see what it does in this area. And today it's the close of today will give us more information because hold on, my screen is loading. I wanted to get my old stuff back. But it will give us more information today, the closure, because this area that we're at, let me flip to this daily. All right. All right, so this area that we're at on the daily, you see, like we're almost engulfing last Friday.
Yep.
So the way we close today will give us more information for sure about what we're doing this week. Because if we engulf, then we could be pushing back up. If we don't engulf, it's like, okay, the buyers were there, but they're not really there. They're not really that much control.
That's what I was thinking. Like we could just create a high point for the week.
Yeah.
And then, bearish structure on the 4 hour and then come down. So it's, I need today to set up for real.
Yeah, same. Definitely want to see something good happen today, just to have more information. I'm also not in, like, I'm trying to be more aware of the days that I get to the charts and I just don't have it in me. Like it's like I can still do like this analysis and stuff, but I know I don't feel the trade. Because there's some days I sit here and I can see things lining up and I'm like, okay, this is it. Today, I don't see it.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, and I'm trying to.
Every day is a trading day, man. Not every day is a trading day. Sometimes you just need to just sit on your hands and just wait.
And those are my best trades. Those are my best trades. The trades that I sit and wait. Patience pays out much better than moving so fast.
Right.
It pays out much better. This candle, it has a bottom wick, it's just small. This was that hourly I was talking about. It gives that mirror Brazil candle pattern where it's like so strong. And you see how this is a fake out right here. Because you see this this green candle and this red candle, you might have thought continuation pattern.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Very true. Very true.
Yeah, I rarely see those fake outs on the H1, but on the M30, you can get a fake out continuation pattern on the M30 multiple times a week.
Yeah, I with the continuation pattern, I don't like trading them against the trend. I noticed that's when it doesn't really work for me as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So
I can get behind that. I feel the same way about head and shoulders pattern, inverse or regular. Yeah. If it's not with the trend, I don't like it as much.
Oh, gold looks like it's coming down. Not crazy, but it's still coming down. Looks like it's creating a lower high on the 30 to then sell. And then we couldn't quite make it back to those Asian highs as well.
No. And even when the hourly came up, even though it's just kind of like side to side, we couldn't wick higher than the prior.
Right.
Let me see how this is closing on the H4 time frame. Kind of just, we've been playing at this daily engulfing level most of the day. It seems like we've hit it, came back below, hit it, came back, and now we're just laying on it.
Right. Kind of looks like a bearish continuation on the 1 hour a bit.
Bearish continuation on the 1 hour.
So the first bearish candle is not very strong. Actually, make your candles longer.
Oh, hold on, let me see this. Oh, hold on. You want me to go like this?
Yeah.
And this candle here you're talking about?
Yeah.
When does it close? 15 minutes? And it broke the prior low too. That's pretty good. If I was being risky today, I'd take what kind of trade I would take, which is sometimes some of my best entries. But I would have got in at that wick that was come from this hour when we didn't break the top wick. I probably would have jumped in here for a scalp, and I would have put my my stop loss above the last wick, and it would have only been like 3 pips.
Wow.
Yeah, because if we so something I've learned about wicks, like, and that's probably why I always get those wick entries, because if we're coming back up close to the wick and we start to get some type of rejection, and especially if I'm on like an M5 and I start to see something,
Yeah.
I would think about getting in, and then I would just put my stop loss right above the last wick. And for this H1 candle, it would have only been 3 pips.
Okay.
And up here, you start to see rejection anyway on the M5.
Gold is to me, it just looks like gold is just pulling back today. Just a little bit of a pullback to then set up for some sells.
Yeah, I could see that.
But then the DXY is pushing up.
Let me see what your icy markets candle look like. All right, not much is going on over here. This probably looks even better for those. Let me see what the fib looks like over here. Okay. Yeah. Look at it. Oh, it's coming down.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm down for whatever information gold wants to give me today so that I have something to work with this week. Because I also like not trading every day, but that means I have to catch a good trade when I do trade.
That's good though. That's a good thing though.
Yeah, it's good. So it just kind of means that, well, one, I feel like gold is giving out a good amount of pips, so I'm trying to catch the continuation leg of the trend. So not too much of this pullback. See how like this is the continuation down. This will be our continuation down. So not too much of the pullback. I'm trying to catch when we're about to go down for another thou. That's what I want.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I waited a lot last week for FMOC. Yeah, I feel like last week, child, the amount of patience I waited for that to happen. We were waiting for that gap to fill for so long.
We were waiting for long, but I also expected FOMC to fill the gap at the same time.
Yeah.
So it was like no matter what happened before then, I expected sales on that Wednesday.
Oh yeah. You know what? And I'll tell you. So when we started pushing back up, look, now I don't know. It can take me all the way there. Let me see something. It happened on Wednesday, right? Yeah. So when we start pushing back up on FMOC, like right before, look, this is like, leading up into it, like 1:30.
Yeah.
I saw when it was down here. When it first came up here and then it came down, I started thinking like, dang, I should have probably gotten into some sales then. And I thought, no, I'm gonna wait so close. And when it got up here and we're like a few minutes before, that's when I got in. And I remember thinking about you because most of the week you had been saying, you know what, this is probably this is going to be the move to sell down into the gap.
Yep.
And I got in, I want to say it was like 78, but I could be wrong. Hold on.
Yeah, I think you said 78 from what I remember. It was like 78.
Right? It's like 78, something like that.
That's where the fundamentals come in handy.
Yeah, I had got in right. I got in right before. I want to say I got in a few minutes before. So probably somewhere over here, but 78 flat. And I probably won't be able to get it flat, but somewhere around that flat. And I actually set my stop pretty crazy.
Really? You gave it some room just in case it popped up?
Oh man, I gave it some room. I got in at 78, but when I got in at 78, I didn't think it would go too crazy, but I remember putting my stop somewhere around like here. Yep, just in case it went too wild. But I also didn't have them. I only had one position on. So my thing was, if it was to go that high, it wouldn't knock me out where now I'm trying to recover so much from the week. No. So I was able to, I rolled this down. I want to say I got out of like 47 because I remember getting out and thinking like, oh God. Oh no, hold on. 42 I have. And what I will say is when it came, oh shit, it is dropping. 40 is at 41.99. Let's see what it's gonna look like when it closed. Current price is there at 41.99. When price came back up here though, I was still in the trade. And this being like an area, look at this green line is that daily high and low point. We struggled here. So I just decided to get back in.
Oh, nice.
So I got in the second trade up here at 24. It was like 24.09. Now this one, if we were starting to come back to this area over here, then I would have probably started getting out of both the trades.
Okay.
I didn't get to ride all the way to the gap closure, but I felt better about getting out there because I got in on another position, so that makes up for it for me.
Yes, yeah.
So this is
not bad.
Yeah,
Real nice
not
trade.
bad. Thank you. I was really happy that played out. But speaking of the feds, I met a woman a few weeks ago. She and I went out to brunch this past Saturday, and I found out that she worked at the Federal Reserve.
No.
Yep, and she told me that Jerome Powell, even though he stepped down, he is on the board.
Yes, yeah. He hasn't completely left, yeah.
He said he couldn't leave right now.
No, of course not. Like just because Trump's having a hissy fit. But we knew he was going to be on the board. That's not secret. Like that was always the thing. Who's going to be still there.
I actually don't even know if I knew that. Honestly, I don't even think I remember.
On the board. He's just not the head of the feds. Yeah. That was it. So he's not the one doing the conferences and talking anymore. That's it. But yeah, he's been in that job for so long. He's a major player in the US economy. The head of the feds. You can't just hand it over to someone and not be involved. Do you know what I mean? He has to be some type of involved. So yeah, good old JP. I didn't
Good
even watch
old
that guy's first meeting. I should have watched it. I want to see how he talks, because Jerome was just very flat, very calm. There was no emotion in whatever he said. And I didn't get to watch the meeting. I want to go back and see it. Because you always get the first move, and then you do get the follow-on move after the meeting as well. That's really what I should have paid attention to see.
Yeah, you know, we really didn't even have any H4 body. This H4 has no
Yeah,
body.
barely.
I wonder, while we're coming down, are we about to like give it somebody?
We are, yeah, last 5 minutes, barely a bottom wick, and we're respecting that little 4-hour resistance at 4201. So yeah, I think gold is looking like it might be some sells. Sorry, Ali, I know you're in buys, but I don't know if the buys are looking too good, my brother.
My brother.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting, but we'll see.
Right.
Yeah, we'll see. Maybe gold comes back to this little purple area right here. It's got an old broken resistance, now support.
Okay.
Yeah, broken the resistance here, now support. So we'll see.
We're looking at these lower time frames. Look, that 1 hour continuation pattern looks very good. Look at this. If you zoom in more,
that wick entry would have been amazing, though. I'm gonna tell you, it would have been already up.
right? So wait, go back. How do you decide to get that entry again?
All right. So, and it's usually if and I find it, I kind of think of it like wick competing. So on this H1 time frame, we're coming up here, right?
Yeah.
Coming up here, I would look at it as something about this kind of resembles head and shoulders for me. Then I see like this kind of a double top right here. We're coming out of this area. I want to say, where do we start the hour? The hour candle starts right here. We start the hour candle right here. We come up, we're shrugging. We don't get to the high, and the high is only like 3 pips away. So the high is like 15. The most we come up is 12. So as we're starting to come down, especially after I'm seeing this like double top formation, because you know, for me, I'm going to flip in between these time frames, and I'm going to flip in between the line chart till I see something that looks familiar to me. So I would have started thinking about it, especially as we're coming out of here. And it really might have been somewhere around like 4110 area. So we get a lot of pings off of this area. So it would have been here, and then I would have set my stop loss right here about this 5 above the last high.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah, I would have said above the last high. And if I wasn't too sure, and it depends on what that lot size was looking like. But if it was a little bit less, I would have said it here, because if it goes higher than the 15, then it would have touched the Asian range.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what I
want. Been in a sell since 4206. All right, girl. What's
Let's
your
go.
TP? What's your TP?
You got 2 minutes. You see that H4 is building out something.
Right.
It's building out something. It'll suck if it's just a weak body, though.
I like the fact that it's well, we've got these 3 top wicks now on the 4-hour time frame, and then we could be creating the lower high here to then sell back down. Maybe.
Yeah.
Or just creating the high for the range. Just create the high, and then maybe we sell back down to the low, and then we just play in this area. I can see that for gold this week.
Oh gosh, I hope it doesn't take all week.
Range consolidation. Yeah, I see that in golds.
The one thing I don't like about the sells, the only thing I don't like about the sells is what I'm seeing on the RSI.
Oh.
We're already above this area We're already above the 50, right? We're above this 50 on the RSI, which is also near this peak. Now, this could be two things for us. This could be some type of hidden divergence where we have that inconsistency. And let me change that to blue, because I've been color coding my time frame for the same things for 8 years, so I got to keep it consistent. But yeah, we're not there. This did push us down lower.
Yeah.
Now, seeing that on the RSI could mean two things. If we really start to see some heavy momentum going down, we might actually push lower than this Friday low. But if it starts to struggle up here and it stays by this purple line or it comes back up and it goes higher than this,
Yeah.
we actually might see a larger pullback up here. So it's definitely one of those. It's one of those times I would love some more information to see what gold is going to do in this area.
Yes, yeah.
But nice sales for anyone who just caught those.
Right.
Like, that's quick thinking right there, because putting that together. The only thing is it's a little gap right here. Where did I just see that gap at?
Nice strong close.
Oh, let's
on the
see.
1 hour.
Oh man, I'm not big into these little baby continuation patterns, but something like that is on the H4.
Oh, baby continuation patterns.
Yeah. I wonder, we're right here. Do you think it's about to break that low?
Yep.
Oh, this is another one of those entries for me. See how we came close to it and didn't? Let's see. But those continuation patterns,
Where do you mean?
like how this would be one of those things where I would see like if we're gonna break the low, if we're not. For the continuation pattern, sometimes it might just do it, but we came so close to it that that could be a good little scalp entry. It doesn't last that long, depending on. But with these continuation patterns, you usually do see the bottom,
right a bit.
the high wick broken. Because I feel like that.
Move your chart over a bit. It's a bit to the left.
I'm sorry.
There you go.
There we go. But it's struggling. But it's still really early. So let's see. What was the low? Looking at the coordinates. 92.24. Oh, we're right there.
Oh yeah, we're about to. Tankiana maybe?
Tankiana. It's right there. Oh, there it goes. Karen, what did you say was your TP?
I don't think she did. Where are you holding to, Karen?
Did you eat breakfast already? Or lunch?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, had some eggs. I'm saying me, duh. Yeah, I had some eggs and veggies. It's like my quick morning meal. Just like bell peppers, like chopped up bell peppers, onion, tomatoes, and then scrambled all together.
Okay.
Like fry down the veg and then scramble the eggs in with it. No carbs. I didn't feel like anything heavy. It's so hot. I'm not complaining. I love the heat. It's amazing. It's great. But it's, where it's just too hot for hot food. So everything I'm eating now is just light dinners, light lunches, just light snacks, nothing heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's just so hot. It's just so hot. Is that just the top wick? Just the top wick?
Let's see what happens. When I look at the M5, there's a little chaos to the side over here on the left. It's already down here at the oversold too, on the M5.
Oh.
But we did get a strong close on M30. However, that could be a fake out. especially because it is down here on the RSI, which is under this point, and it's not there. Mhm. But it was some strong closures for H1 and M30 though.
Right.
They were pretty strong candle closures. What is this target? What is this? This is 4178.
Very, it's not a strong bearish 4 hour though. That's the only thing.
No.
Go on, gold. What are we doing this week? What are we doing not even this week? What are we doing today? Let's just start with today.
Games.
We'll talk about the rest of the week after that.
Games.
Let's
Straight
talk
up
about shit.
games. Nintendo. This is our
I hope
weekly.
not.
It's our weekly area right here. Look at this. Oh, you know what I wanted to show you? Remember we were talking about it. Let's see if I'm gonna switch my charts real quick. Let me see. Let's share this tab instead. 1 second. We talked about a weekly fib
Yes.
in that meeting. It already hit the first TP.
Damn.
Yep. I think it's like that meeting like two Sundays ago. Yep.
Yeah.
Hit that TP. Next TP is down here. 3,900 basically.
I really don't want gold to go there. Like, it's so low.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's so low. My goodness. That means we're bearish on gold. I really don't want gold to be that low.
Oh
But
man,
that's
it can
what
go
happens.
crazy.
I mean, if that's what happens, that's what happens. But damn.
I know. And look at the last few months. I mean, the last few years though. Just look at the run we've had in the last few years.
I know it has to come down, right? Look, we're selling now. We're gonna fall out of
Oh,
4190s. Are we? A nice little drop.
Dropiana. Oh, see.
So Ali's saying for the bias to stay strong, it should hold above 4188 and the 4190 support. See, coming to that
Oh,
price
look,
level.
continuation pattern on the F5. So basically, like this area right here. Let's see if this breaks. Kind of like it right here, though.
Oh yeah, it broke. It broke. We out.
Wait.
We out.
But will it? But will it surpass it?
I think gold is going down. I think we going down.
I'm definitely interested to see what happens right here, you guys. Will it give us an opportunity for a scalpiana?
I know. It's like where to get in now.
This.
It,
I would. Hold on. Let me look at. Let's just like 1 second.
Guy, what's up? Good morning. What's going
Let's
on?
look at the time frames. As a matter of fact, it's like if it were to break here, then it would to go down lower. So if you were to get in, you probably could stop below. This is the lowest of that point, that 41.88. Yeah. How low did it go here? 41.88.86. 41.88.64. Yeah, so it basically if it went to like 48.87, it might just start dropping low.
Let's see. Sky said she's looking at sells on gold. Yeah, once like I was bullish coming into it, but I said also I need to see the lower time frames create a reversal pattern or some type of reversal structure for me to start looking at sells. And that seems like that's what it's doing now. Like it's not right now, but we created a high. We didn't quite make it up to the Asian highs. We created a lower high, and now we're breaking this little minor support. We've broken this little minor support, so I can see it coming down a bit more. For more confirmation, I would want to see gold break below 41.90, like close below 41.90.
Yeah, because like
it's like a little 30-minute M30 support.
Yeah.
So like, you know, that's all it takes for me. I'm so simple. I just need the little structure, just a little key level, close below, confirm. I'm in there, you know. But I love how when I'm looking at other people's analysis, everyone has the same kind of idea. They just look at it in a different way, but it all leads to the same thing eventually.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like you've got that level there for the 5-minute and you're using the RSI. I'm just looking at a 30-minute support to break. You know what I mean? It's just very, we all look at it.
Yeah, like down
same
here.
Thing, but yeah, analyze it differently, which is great.
Analyze it differently, but it kind of, like you said, kind of all means a little bit of the same thing. It's just how we see it.
PP 40.59, Sky?
Damn.
How long have you trying to hold this trade? Do you know what? I said that to someone. Remember I said that to someone? I'll never forget when I said to someone, oh, you're trying to hold this for days. And I think it moved like 1,000 pips in one day.
Yo, I never forget when gold was first, when gold first came out of here. I'll never forget this day. It was one of those $300 account days where I had $300 in that account, probably 360.
Yeah.
And I was writing that thing down. And I remember it was this day right here. Not this red, the little baby candle, but this red one. Yeah, it was a Friday, and we were talking about how gold can move. And I'm like, it's the end of the month too. It's probably going to drop crazy. And this didn't happen till New York session, where it dropped like that.
Yeah. It's just started and just kept on going.
That was what a day. What a day. There are certain trading days that I've had that I probably will always remember, like no matter what. I'm going to be old telling my kids about some of this stuff.
Because you know what? That was the biggest drop in gold history. When you look at the size of that candle and you go back, there's no other candles, daily candles that are that big. 7,000 pips? Like $700? That's a big move. It's record breaking. It's you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's one of those moves that like it shocked me that it even went down, because I remember initially I got out of the first position really early, and then I came back to hold it, and I was like, oh my god, there's still juice, like gas in the tank.
Gas up.
Gas. Gassed up. It was gassed up. That was such a day. I swear, such a day. Yeah, when you look at gold, like the daily candles, and I have this thing over here, so it's like, I guess they size them up automatically.
On the 15-minute, how much pips was it on the 15-minute there?
Which one?
That day happened quick. That drop happened super quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I want to go to the M30. Okay, so that day was January 30th. And I'm gonna go
after a record-breaking push up. We had a record-breaking push back down.
Yeah, and that was FMOC week. I remember that week. I had because my mom's birthday was on the 27th, same day my grandfather passed away. And I remember being in a trade when I was getting all this information, and I messed up because I'm like trying to figure out what's going on, and I'm almost forgetting that I'm in a trade. And I took a loss. Next day was FMOC. Didn't get any better. I didn't trade. I didn't trade the 29th, I think. One of these days, I remember I took a break, but I caught that January 30th play. Let's see, what time does that happen? Look, most of it happens in 30 minutes.
Super.
It opens at 54.96, and the lowest it goes is 5,000.
Very quick.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. That's on January 30th. My bad. What is the January? It kind of, the first play happens on Thursday. I remember the first play happens on Thursday, and then Friday kind of just trickles down. But they're like really big candles still. They look small, but they're pretty massive.
1 second. Yeah, keep them busy. I just got a phone call. Hold on.
Yeah. Let me see. This candle here, 53 opener, below 51. So definitely got some moving. Let me get to today. I'm not a big 15-minute person, but it looks like a continuation pattern here. Oh, look at this. This is actually what I wanted to see on M5. I actually kind of think we might get a push up from here. So this is why I marked it out, because I thought we would see some rejection, possibly coming back up at least to this daily engulfing point. Entry, let's see, we didn't engulf here. So if there was an entry here, it would probably be below this wick here. For a scalp though, I would watch on the M30, because if we close down here, that looks like a continuation pattern downward.
Yes, you are running a business, so of course you're working.
Let's see how much we could possibly come back on the M5.
If it can't cope with the visitors, you can't grow the business. Try Ionos. It loads up to 3 times faster, so you get much happier customers at unbeatable price. It is easy peasy way to get hard-working website that is nice.
Who rejects this area? I would say actually up in here. This area here can possibly come back down to this 41.78.
A nice little push up there, little rejection.
I actually like the buys a little bit. I know we're thinking about the sells down, but I like the buys from this area.
Okay. Yeah, if this 4190 holds, then I still think gold is going to push back up. If it breaks, I just want to see a bit more sells, or for it to sell down a bit more.
That's what I'm thinking. Like, if it was to break here, then yeah, we could sell down to this M30 broken resistance. Now support, we could probably sell down to this like purple area. Yeah. If it breaks below this little, but we did get a little engulfing off of it. Let me see where your, I know I say yours, but let me see what the IC market H4 is real quick. Oh, IC market H4 looks like it is about to engulf. Do we see that happening for the H4 when we didn't even have similar? Now, what's the engulfing point? The engulfing point is 41.93. So I don't know. Do you guys see the hour closing below 41.93, which will give this H4 an engulfing pattern? I don't know about that.
Do I think he'll do it?
No. Actually, I'm not even gonna hold you. When you had said when I said, oh, down here looks like it'd be a good area for like an entry. And then you was like, where would you get in? And I was like, right here. And then I actually jumped the fuck in right here. I'm in at 41.89. I got a stop loss at 41.87. Because if it falls below 41.87, then I believe it could go. But I also put a small lot on it because I'm not fully engaged.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nah, Ash is in buys. I'm not in anything.
Scalping buys though. Just scalp some buys. But it's 9:19. We still have a lot of time.
Yeah, I want to see how this 30-minute candle closes before I do anything.
Yeah, because look at it. If it continues to close this week, I'm definitely just gonna cut the little scalps I have. If it closes too weak, because then it's gonna start looking like a continuation pattern.
Yeah, because what I want to see with gold is hold on, let me just switch screens real quick. Alright, so what I want to see with gold is if it's going to continue up. So it's made this little support here come back. The support holds, so just a retest and then push up. But if the support breaks, then I want to see it come back down, see how it reacts to this one, and then so forth. So yeah, I'm just waiting at the moment, because this isn't enough for me to say we're gonna sell just yet. It's a nice start, but I need to see it break some key levels as well. Remember, I'm not holding for long. I'm literally scalping, so it would be a breakout if I was gonna take this trade. Just a quick breakout. I'll aim for the next support below for the retest. You know, have a runner going, see if it continues. Does it come back down to Asian lows? I don't know. I don't know.
It's really strong right now. You remember how I just put that fib up too?
Ah, yes. Bibiana.
It really lines up. Hold on, let me check my little scalp. Get out of that. And it lined up to this that M30 area. Benny, when I said it was a M15 continuation pattern, when I look at M15, I do think of you. I know that's his pattern. I mean his time frame.
Give me a sec.
Okay. If M5 drops, if M5, yeah, it is holding. If M5 drops lower than this area right here, I'm start looking down here to see if we have any divergence.
Oh yeah, because it's in the oversold area.
Yeah. So it like, even if it closed, what's the low? Hold on. Open. If it closed below 41.91. Or shit, if it just rejects and pops up, that's not bad. But if it did close below 41.91, I would look to see if there's divergence present.
If I'm looking to add a position, where can I add? Please help if it breaks this support. What's your TP for one? What's your TP, Karen? Where are you actually looking to sell to?
If I were looking to add a position, if I were in sales and that was waiting
for a close on 4190, yeah, me too, Sky, me too.
I'm just gonna add this back here. Leave this just in case we start to see diversions. Trying to think about what I'm going to eat for breakfast.
What's on the menu? What are the options?
Not much. I haven't gone food shopping. I don't have much, but I'm gonna tell you what I've been thinking about. It's not breakfast food. On Saturday, I had this burger,
Oh.
and it was a simple burger, but I could tell it was homemade. I could tell like they seasoned it up well. They didn't have to do too much. It was really good. I gotta take Laneza to this spot. It's actually in our city, so I'm gonna take
Even
it.
better.
Local, black owned.
I love a good burger.
You love a good burger. I've been loving a burger too much recently. That's my issue.
Too much burger.
Too much burger. I gotta work out because it's been too much burger. Mm-mm-mm.
5 minutes to go. So not
Oh.
this 5-minute candle, the next one. It doesn't matter which 5-minute
Oh,
candle.
you just did? You see how I just pushed down like that?
Yeah.
And now I wish it would have pushed. We're not that last peak is not in the
Oversold area.
oversold. But that is pretty interesting that it pushed down like that in the last few seconds. Now I want to see how it reacts, especially because this last 5 minutes is going to dictate what happens for M30. Is it going to close with the continuation pattern or not? Oh, it's not. It had moved down. 41.93.
This 15-minute continuation pattern's looking good. It's about to play out. Feel the wick.
Yeah. Hey, you grab that? Let's see what the height was. The height was 41.97 of that wick. Oh, actually, we weren't really close to the top of that.
Back up a bit. So you didn't want to sell into the support. I hear that. That's one thing I don't like about certain continuation patterns. If there's a key level right there, you know, I hear that.
Yeah.
It's really struggling at this area, man. 4190 is struggling.
Yeah.
It's definitely significant.
It's just for the diversions. But I feel like there's a lot of conflicting information here, though. So I could see both. I could definitely see both happening.
Yeah, I mean that's always what I was doing, waiting for more information. Just if this then that. Like 4 hours looking nice and bearish.
Oh, there we go. Oh, hold on, did it pop back?
It's jerking.
Chicken.
Right before market open.
Oh, you guys doing your NAS stuff? Sky, are you doing your NAS trade?
Oh yeah, should be in right now. That looks like it wants to
Oh, it's
fly up.
928 right now. You said look like about to fly up?
Nas is looking bullish. Looking more bullish than bearish at the moment. Sorry. Looking more bullish than bearish.
Oh,
Damn. A little pop.
Poppy, you see, gold is going.
Yep. Was back in that oversold area.
It is, but if it pushed down too low and it meets it at that peak, then I know the divergence is done. "22 seconds.
Oh, if it goes below it or equal.
Yeah, if it goes below or equal, then it just looks the same as the regular chart, so it won't be
Got you.
that bad.
Now I'm thinking about a burger.
A good burger too.
Home with a good burger. Can I take your order? Did you ever watch that? Were you too young?
Oh yeah.
Okay, just check it.
And then my younger cousin, when he started watching it because it was on Netflix, right? That became a movie he just could not stop watching.
Wow.
So it definitely brought back all the old memories. I always felt like they should open up restaurants based on some shows. I could see Good Burger being one. I could see
Patty.
Yes. Being one. I never watched like Bob's Burgers and stuff like that, but maybe.
Burger of the day. Them burgers of the day used to sound good. They did.
Okay, so hold on. So what are we looking at on the M15? Well, hold on. Let me not. I really only went there for Benny, and it's just up there. I don't really use that. Let me see the other stuff. I wonder will we approach this.
Yeah, look, DXY is pushing up, so I think we get some more gold sales. It's just this area on the daily I don't like on the DXY. Like it's been holding price. If we don't break it, then I could see a reversal.
Let me look up. I actually don't have the DXY on this watch list. Well, I think it's just because it's not on this watch list. There we go.
Yeah, so there's a daily level to the left. It's one, yeah, that whole. Wait,
it's a lot of static up in here, but yeah.
Yeah, it's right where where price is now, just above. So 10. Hold on. It's like a whole zone. So if you go to the left, zoom in a bit. So right where you had your mouse.
Oh, 1 second. Let me get rid of this.
Yeah, just literally above where price is right now.
Okay, like this
that
area.
Whole area. Yeah, that whole area there, I have a long line drawn all the way across. Like a zone. And its price just kept wicking into that area and it hasn't closed above. So I'm thinking maybe if that area holds, that could mean DXY comes down from there and that would mean gold buys.
Okay, so like this 101 area right here.
Yeah.
I haven't been in this area since about last year. Okay.
DXY respects levels as well.
Okay.
It definitely does. So it might wick into that area again, but if it closes below, if it respects it, then I can see a reversal or a bit of a pullback, or maybe even a range between those levels.
right, let's see.
Down in the 83s.
83s. We're gonna get by this 4178 area, I wonder.
Yes. Oh, Nas is selling.
Oh, just was opening, right?
Yep. Yep. That could mean some more sales for gold too. They like to go in the same direction.
This is where we are at. Let me take this off. This is where we're at on the IC markets H4. Currently, it is engulfed. It has 25 more minutes. Do we think it's gonna engulf? Let us see. And this is what the H4 looked like on Oanda, the candle that just closed.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
and we do have diversions here.
Netanyahu, the IDF to stay in the Lebanon security zone as long as needed. They do not want to back up out of this war, seriously. The IDF is free to act in South Lebanon to thwart threats. Yeah, they're on some shit still. I'm gonna go and get a snack. I'll be right back.
Okay.
See, I can just be in and out because you're here, like, you know what I mean? This is great.
Yeah, when you come back, I'm gonna get a snack too.
I can still hear you though.
Oh yeah. Chat.
You won't be able to hear me.
Okay. Chat. How's your week been going? What are you looking at this week? What are you doing to make yourself a better trader this week? Oh, let's start with that one. Let's start with that one. Okay, gold is moving back up. Let me go on this 5 minute. Oh yeah, there's still divergence here on M5. It's very small. So that means price might actually come back up to like 96, I wonder. Very small. What's up, Rosie? Okay, you want to manage your risk differently. Okay. What does that mean? Does that mean putting in more stops? Maybe managing how many lots you're putting on, the sizes of those? I do meet a lot of traders that don't use stop losses. I've been one of those people before, but after being slapped by the market a few times, I've learned my lesson. I hope I've learned my lesson. I actually wonder if gold is going to close above 41.93. I just don't believe that this H4 is about to engulf, because that would be two complete different signs on H4. And this is just like probability stuff, but we'll see. Okay, Taryn, Karen, your TP is 70. Oh, okay, 41.70. It's down there. $41.70. Okay, around this area. Okay, I can see that. Especially if we were to come back down and test this M30 level.
Oh, look at gold.
Look at gold.
Gold being gold. What do you reckon? Break and retest?
Now I kind of think we're coming back up.
Oh yeah.
Just for a little bit though. I just don't see that H4 engulfing on that icy market. I don't believe in that. And then we still did have a little divergence here. So it might at least come up to like right here if you're scalping it. But
Pushing.
it is pushing. I actually would not be surprised if we played in this 4204 area, like over here by the daily engulfing for some parts of the day, especially towards like later in the day. Yeah.
That like a fake out, close below the zone, push right back up.
Yeah. Yo, gold loves faking folks out. And as I have been folks before, I know it loves faking out.
Facts.
So have you been looking at like GJ and ads and stuff?
GJ's just not been looking too great, to be honest. It hasn't been the cleanest. And then we've got like issues going on with our Prime Minister. And it shot up today. Like it's just, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it did. I still got some lines on here. Let me delete some stuff. For you guys that don't know, GJ used to be my baby. We used to be married for a little bit. But gold came in doing his thing.
But yeah, though, look at the structure and look at the price action on GJ. It's just not the best.
I had a lot of rejection down here.
Yeah.
What's that area? These are some big candles. Oh, let me actually see what your monthly look like. Oh, you guys have been up here for a few months, just chilling.
Yep. And every time it gets to that area, it pulls back. We get this sharp pullback.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? Just even looking at it, I don't even miss it. You ever seen your ex before just walking down the street and you're like, I can't even believe I used to talk to him like that.
Ew.
Yeah. Ew. I was attracted. Hold on. Let's just switch back to gold, see what's going on. I see if you're pushing up. Let's see what's going on over here. No, I think I'm gonna go food shopping like right after this.
So if you drew a fib on gold on the 1 hour
Yeah.
from
Mm-hmm.
the lowest point, 4125, to today's resistance, 4125, so lower than that.
4125.
The one to the left, like that low,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
up to today's high, today's resistance,
Oh, like up here.
4205. Just to today's highs, so 4205, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's right on the 23 there.
See, I actually wouldn't. The only reason why I wouldn't put the fib in, let me take you to my fib chart so we can see it cleaner. Hold on. I'm switching over to another tab. 1 second. Oh my goodness, I can see how delayed this is. This is extremely delayed. All right, can you see this chart though?
Yeah.
All right. So when it comes to like the fibs, I would only measure like a big push, because like right here, this would be considered one push. So if you had like a fib at the time, you could put it from like here to here. And, you know, you could have used these measurements because you see it wicks in between the 38 and the 50, and it does push you to the 27. But once we start getting too deep and it's like kind of a little bit jumbled, I won't use it. I could use it for this movement here if I would just push using like this candle jump, like this type of because you need to like measure it when it's like a good push. If it's like too much like consolidation and stuff in between, I can't put it there. Yeah, I only use it for like a good push structure. Like if I was, what I could do though, as a matter of fact, since you brought me here, I see something like this. I'll start going down, and each green candle I see, I would measure. If it goes above the 23, I wouldn't use it anymore, right? Just when you're measuring it. So this, you see, we're not above the 23, so this is still valid. So you can still use this. Then the next time we get a green candle, you can still push it down, not above the 23. And I can still do that. And then when we get right here, and it gets above the 23, then I'll use this for what it is, but I couldn't measure anything up here. If that makes sense to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if this started pushing back down, I could just, I wouldn't be able to move this back down with it. It would have to stay where it's at now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, and as a matter of fact, yeah, this doesn't look that bad. But this looks like, when you look at our 4 hour, this is probably almost like the same thing as the 4 hour one that we have up here, which is good. Oh, hold on. Let's go back to this tab now. Can you see this, my first tab where it has all the right in it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, we back up here. We're back outside. We're back outside. Going on IC Markets H4. We're up from the engulfing point, playing around with it.
Wow.
Playing around with it. This little divergence play already played out. We said it can probably go to like 96 from here. So that's already done. I like M5 divergence as a good entry point though. Divergence can be risky if you're not that familiar with it, because you're gonna see it first, and then you're gonna have to play into it.
Yeah. So you have to get the move after the divergence is already formed.
Yeah, because there's a risky one. Oh shit! I'm sorry to curse. So pushing up, because you first see it right here. This is when I first saw it, but it came down, and as it continues to go down, you don't see this part go below here. This is like the same, if not a little bit less.
Close, yeah.
Yeah. So I would say a good conservative entry is once you see this bullish engulfing, and now you get this continuation pattern, even down here on the wick, and then you could put, I will put the low probably like right here though.
Oh, back above 4,200.
Oh, Papiana. Today I made a good decision. When we first started seeing that divergence, I was like, maybe I should move my entry. Maybe I should move my stop loss just a bit. Thank God, because it would have wicked me out, and then it would have went
And
the
then
way.
kept going.
Oh man,
Bro.
I can't be tight going into the supermarket. I'm supposed to have a great day.
I know, right? Just picking up comfort food.
Right. I'm trying to make today a great day for me. I'm off work.
Oh, what you got planned for the rest of the day apart from food shopping? Weekly prep? I guess you got to do weekly prep today since you
yeah, I'm gonna do some weekly prep. I'm gonna do some laundry, get some outfits out for this week because I have my cousin's graduation. I have a few things this week. I have a art workshop that I'm going to. They have a free art workshop going on over here.
Oh, nice.
One of those ones where they have like a nude artist and you kind of have to like paint and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, let me write that down because I have to make sure I have my sketchboard ready. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna do some more content today. So I told myself to get some more content out.
Finally,
I'm back outside, you guys. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. If you haven't already, check out my new video.
Yeah, let me hold on.
I put it on TikTok too, and I was surprised the numbers it's doing over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's doing numbers over there. People are liking and commenting. I'm like, all right. Now my followers aren't there.
That's
I don't know.
That will come.
Yeah, so I'm just doing some more content and stuff like that. And also, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm putting out content that I would have really wanted when I first started. Like, the technical stuff is great, but I think there are things like the psychological stuff or just more things on journaling. Because I will tell you guys, the people you meet in this industry that don't journal, that just show up to the charts straight up, raw, nothing, it's not good. Especially if you're trying to operate in this industry as a professional and you want this to be your full-time job. You can't just show up with no paper and a pen. It won't work like that.
What? Where did you post that?
Post what?
Your link, the link to your thing. What channel was it?
Oh, check education and maybe.
That's right, education. I found it.
Yeah. I had a feeling that gold would come back and just touch by this area. What's the highest it went? The highest it went was 42.02. What is it looking like on the hourly? On the hourly, the past hour high was 42.12. Engulfing 42.07. Hold on, what did Karen say? I can't. The thing went away. What did Karen say? I just saw ash.
Complications are starting because of that green candle. Oh, Karen, you're still in sales. Oh, she's still in sales.
Oh, Karen, I'll tell you that. I was at brunch with somebody and she asked me, how do I trade? She says, how do you handle trading? Like, it's just too much. She goes, my heart. And I told her, it's breathing exercises. I do a lot of breathing exercises. Especially if I'm in a loss or if I'm getting nervous or I feel like, not me say nervous, if I'm getting impatient. So I'm getting impatient and I know this could possibly play out my way. I've already put my stop and maybe profit or whatever or I try not to play into news. But if ever I find myself being really anxious, I'll just start doing breathing exercises and affirmations. Yeah. Gotta have that together.
Go. All right, gold is we're in the 4200s, but we ain't got a good push yet.
Oh, let's see. This is a baby continuation pattern. I'm not really with it, but we'll see.
Baby pattern.
That baby continuation pattern on the H4.
Oh,
Because I
yeah,
wouldn't
you
really
have that
call it
big
a
candle.
continuation pattern because this, yeah.
Though it is. It's continuation pattern.
I just
That
can't.
bullish candle was strong. It was strong. Second one very weak. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I like, even though this was a psych out, this I would have taken over this little one, but it's still doing its thing. You know what my thing is? When it comes to like the different patterns, it's just like, what's the probability of it? Because it may not, if it doesn't look the strongest, I'll see it there, but I just feel like it may be just low ranking and probability of playing out. But it's there. It's just, that's why I call it a baby continuation pattern. Yeah.
Watch it play out. What are you gonna call it then?
Hey, and you know that's hey, if it play out right now, I'd be really appreciative. I'll be really appreciative.
Teenage continuation pattern.
Yeah.
Not a baby.
Yeah, teenage. Yeah. Oh man, it's going. It's going by that 4204 again.
Like holding no damn trade, bro.
All right, I think I'm about to cut this.
Oh shoot.
That's actually where my TP was, so I'm gonna cut it. Damn! Watch I cut it and it go through the roof.
Watch I buys now, guys. Hit buy right now. It's about to take off 100 pips.
I'm gonna cut it. I'm okay. I'm gonna cut it because an hour ago I wasn't even gonna trade. Yeah, hour ago I wasn't even gonna trade. Watch it just go through the roof. I know it. Y'all, if y'all catch it after I get out, thank me, because once I get out, that's when gold say we about to strike a job here.
Telling you. And then look, oh wait, no, DS price pushing up. Never mind.
That's what's up.
Pushing up.
That's what's up. Because it definitely was going against me.
Mm-hmm.
And just another reason why I took it is because we're at this area, and once I pushed up to, let's see what this look at this candle now. It's starting to close just like the H4 that we just got on Orlando. That's how you use both of these different, one time zones and different charts together. Because we just had an engulfing here, and I was literally just saying at like 4180s, do y'all think we could engulf?
Did not believe in this engulfing.
I did not believe in it. Now it's going to close just like Orlando.
Mm-hmm. All right, last couple minutes. Here we go. Minutes. Let's see what it do.
See what it do. I wonder if I could show you guys my the Bluetooth it to my, maybe if I airdrop it to my MacBook. Hold on. How many more minutes? Is 3 more minutes left here?
Yeah, 2.5. To go. Well, give us a little push.
Go Diana.
If Ali's still holding, but early entry, you got into
just
some
kind of
vibes. A little early.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, at 4202. 4202.
Oh, I can hear somebody stopping their car, and I'm telling you, they need brakes. I can hear it.
Squealing.
All right, I just dropped a pic in the Discord of the trade I had just grabbed. I was trying to show you guys on here, but I wasn't able to.
I got you.
You got me.
There we go. Oh, that was a banger.
Banger. And I only initially had one trade on there, but as we started coming up, and I was like, oh, hold on, this actually looks like it really could be valid. I just probably got in too early. So then I added 2 more positions.
That's a nice move, man. It's a nice move. Real nice. And that's just where you got out, pretty much?
Yeah, right there. I probably, as soon as, when it started to go back up to 4205, I thought about like, well, maybe I should stay. But I'm like, no, I'm trying to be, I know, Rosie, you were in here talking about risk management. Something that I've been trying to do with just trade management is set the TP. Don't be extremely greedy. You don't need to get the whole move. You're not trying to move the whole account in one day. It can happen, but it ain't every day. Put the TP there.
Facts.
Okay, how did we trade? How did we close out on? This is how it closed out on the H4 on icy markets. No engulfing pattern. Now I definitely wouldn't be taking anything else. However, I will say that no, let me close this to make sure this is bigger. Yeah, I wonder what will happen next on here, but that's about it for me.
For the day, Dunzo.
Dunzo.
In and out.
Quick.
Snatch some pips.
Slappy on. Pip and dip. Hold on really quick. Hello?
Pip and dip, y'all. Alright, let's go back to mine.
I'm so tired of these people selling my phone number to other folks and calling me.
Oh yeah, I know, it's crazy.
My
So
last
share your data online. It's not, you don't even know who's doing it. Someone's doing it.
Someone's doing it. I don't know who. Let me see.
Oh man. Yeah, I think I'm done for this session.
Yeah.
You back?
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on it.
Today.
I think I've got a meeting shortly, and then just some more content stuff. I guess I need to do some more editing. Need to get on top of it, and that's it really.
Okay.
That's it. Pretty chill. I'm keep my eye on the markets, but I like to have a cut-off point. I don't like to be focusing on trading for the whole day or for too long of the day. So it takes too much of my time.
I can understand that too, especially when you go full time just to like be able to have time for life. Because trading is supposed to give you more freedom, right? Access to getting when you want. So it's I want it all the time.
Exactly. So yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that's why I try not to have Asian session take over my life, because I know how.
Yeah, that's your evening too. That's your evening.
And
I hear it. Look at gold. I don't know what gold is trying to do here, man. These 4-hour candles are not looking good.
Rosie, have we got you in the Discord yet?
Right?
Rosie, have we got you in the Discord yet?
Because I would love to see Rosie's analysis. I would love to see it, because I know she's a day trader, but she holds for them long positions.
Yeah, why do I see you on twice on my screen? When I go on the YouTube,
Oh, that's why.
double.
Yeah, 'cause I had to switch the cameras.
Mm.
The
Are you watching Love
cameras.
Island?
Hmm?
Are you watching Love Island?
The UK one or the US one?
You're probably watching the UK.
Watching the UK one, yeah.
You good?
I don't know. I stopped and I was literally watching it today actually because I was putting up some stuff in the bathroom and I had it on in the background. But because I start watching it and I'm like, oh, it's annoying. But then my friend said it got good, so I was like, all right, I'll come back. So now I'm just trying to catch up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it does start off a bit, samey. I learned today, Miss Gold Pippin. Oh, that's good, Ali. I hope your trade goes well too.
Hey, and if you really learn something, hop over to my YouTube page. Give me a what they say, a like, follow, and subscribe.
Yes. So I pinned Miss Gold Pippin's video in the chat, so you guys check it out. If you haven't seen it in the Discord, go check it out. It's pinned in the chat. Everyone too. And yeah, she is going to create some more content, so make sure you follow. It's coming.
Content is coming.
It's coming.
Show. Let me know what y'all want to see. I got you.
Cool. Yeah, I'm going to leave it here, guys. But everyone, have a great rest of your trading day. Be careful out here in these streets.
Yes, don't get slapped by the market or by gold, really. And this war news, I just saw so many war headlines all weekend. So I wasn't sure where gold would open up, honestly.
I was expecting a gap. Yeah. I was.
Yeah.
Me personally, yeah. I thought it was going to get a little crazy gap.
I know Carl likes to see a good gold gap.
Yes. I'm glad we didn't, though. Over golds and these bloody gaps. But yeah, we'll see.
Same.
But yeah, same again tomorrow. What have we got tomorrow? Nothing. We've got a quiet week for once.
Is it PMI tomorrow, or they downgraded it, right? Or one of these days this week is PMI.
Is it? They must have downgraded it. I only have red folders up. Hold on. Yes, PMIs is tomorrow. Flash PMIs. Yeah, it got downgraded. All the PMIs got downgraded. The cheek. The absolute cheek of it. What can you do?
What can you do?
Gold is trying to decide what it wants to do. But yeah, guys, tomorrow, peace out.
See you guys. Thanks for having me.
Peace.
Peace.